The title of this mini podcast is Rushing to Go Nowhere. Many years ago, I worked with a bartender who had a million moves. He'd spin bottles, flip glasses, and time everything to the music playing in the background. It was quite the show. When the crowd was small, people loved it. But when the bar got busy, everything changed. He'd rush to keep the performance going, and that's when the mistakes started piling up. Wrong drinks, spills, missed orders. Eventually, he was fired. I think we've all been in a hurry at one time or another. We've got somewhere important to be or a deadline staring us in the face. That happens. But have you ever noticed there are people who seem to live in a constant state of hurry? Maybe you're one of them. They have only one speed: fast. Even when nobody's waiting, even when there's no deadline, they're like a blender with the lid off, motion everywhere. My favorite example is the person who types 100 miles an hour, then spends half of their time hitting the backspace key. Sometimes the fastest way to finish something is to slow down. Take a breath. It settles your nervous system, sharpens your attention, and usually means you make fewer mistakes. There's a reason the old saying has survived for centuries: measure twice, cut once. So here's a question worth asking yourself every now and then. What's my hurry? You might discover you're racing toward nothing in particular. And slowing down just a little may actually get you where you want to go faster. All the best, John.